Let's look at customer statements. When selling goods to customers on credit, a business may send a statement that details all the transactions that have occurred between the business and the customer for that month. It shows the balance outstanding at the end of the particular month and the status of any amounts outstanding from the previous months. The statement shows the balance from the previous month. It shows payments received from the customer, invoices raised during the month, and adjustment notes or credit notes raised during the same period. The statement shows an outstanding balance after each transaction as they occur in date order. The statement also shows how old the debt is. This is called aging, and it is determined by monitoring the payments and the debt and counting the months that the customer has taken to pay. Statements are sent to customers so that they can determine how much money should be sent in payment of their debts. Customers can also use the statement as a way of determining if their records are up to date and accurate. It is also a good way for a business to monitor its own records, since customers will complain if errors are made or the statement information is out of date. Let's look at a sample statement. A correctly issued statement should have the full name of the sender, including the address and the ABN. It should have the full name and address of the customer, the month to which the statement refers, and an opening balance, and if applicable, any outstanding amounts from previous months. It should list all the transactions that have taken place during that month, and it should have a section at the bottom showing the final balance and, if necessary, a listing of outstanding balances, that is, those amounts that are due or are more than 30 days or 60 days old. The statement terms, for example, if a 2.5% discount is available, will also be listed on the statement. Notice that the current balance includes all values in the statement except the amount of cash that has been paid off. So for this example, we have received $5,800 in cash from the customer, but our current amount shows that we have a balance of $10,505. That's because it relates to the month that the statement or the transactions took place. A good way to look at statements is to see the story of the transactions that have taken place on the account. In this sample statement for Riley and Holt Homes, the story is Riley and Holt Homes owed $5,800 from the month of June, so this is being recorded as our opening balance. They purchased some goods from $10,560 from the SBC on the 10th of July for the amount of $10,560, so this has increased the amount that they owe to $16,360. They also received a credit note because they returned some goods that were badly scratched. This amount is deducted from the amount that they owe, so that their new balance is $16,305. Riley and Holt Homes sent us a cheque for $5,655 in payment of the amount outstanding from June. You can see that the amount outstanding from June was $5,800. However, we provided them with a discount of $145 because they have paid their account within 30 days. This is receipted and recorded on the statement in two separate transactions. Firstly, the receipt is issued for $5,655 because this is the actual amount of money we received from our customer. We then need to record the amount of the discount separately because the customer no longer owes us $5,800 because we provided them with a discount of $145. When we take the amount of $5,655 off their account and the discount amount of $145 off their account, it gives us the new balance of $10,505. This is the amount of the transactions that have also taken place during the month. For example, if you looked at the transaction of $10,560 and took off the adjustment note of $55, That would also equal the balance of $10,505. The $10,505 is recorded as the outstanding balance, that is, the amount of money owed by Riley and Holt Homes at the end of July. When it's recorded in our aging, it becomes current because it relates to the current month. If Riley and Holt Homes hadn't paid their $5,800 during the month of July, then this amount would show in the 1 month section of the aging in the statement. I hope this video provides you with a bit more detail on how to prepare a statement of account for your customer.